How to sign up for Binance on your Android device. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily sign up for Binance on your phone. So let's just get started. First thing first, you can go ahead and open up your web browser. If you have the application, you can continue on with that as well. But I'll just go over here and search for Binance. Once you search for it, go over to the first link here, go to Binance.com and tap on it. Once you are inside here, you'll find the big sign up button at the very center. So just tap on that to sign up for a new account. Now, in order to sign up, you can use email or phone number, or you can also continue on with your Google account. So I'll just quickly enter my email address here. Now I can just tap on continue. It says the account already exists because I already have this account created, but if it's your first time, it's going to take you to the sign up page and you're just going to have to enter your details there, including your name, phone number, and you can create your account by creating a username and password as well. Or you can additionally go one tap login with Google, Apple, or Telegram, and you can just basically tap on continue. Then you can log into your account using your details. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you can easily sign up for a Binance account on your device. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one.